Ang west muna. Everybody go west. West muna.
Pero mo na ako.
West.
Still mounted. Still mounted.
Mag-mark lang ako.
Ikaw na mag-mark it.
Gamit ko shield tsaka corona. Kamis.
Okay, they're going southeast. Mounted up. They're going southeast mounted. No,
may bomb squad, may weeping.
Kambas muna. Weeping solo.
Tapos, yung spike nila, naka-purity robe.
Okay.
Southeast.
Spike purity robe.
Item 6 sila eh, par. Ito nga, tingnan mo.
lang. Hayaan nyo na.
Sige lang, go na.
They're full cloth. Full cloth sila, full cloth.
Clap kite to, ah.
Clap kite to kasi may demonic. Dismounted here.
Everybody mount muna.
Never mind.
Nag-mount din ata sila.
Kambas.
Waiting daw sila +1.
Ayo, waiting din naman pala kay Chuni tsaka kay Nicolay eh. Chuni, Nicolay sa na par.
Nasa na ako? Wetlands na ako. Mid-map. Si Chuni, papasok na dyan.
Sino pa inaantay nga? Tabi mo na. Ay, sorry.
Waiting daw +1.
Satis. May hideout pala sila dito eh. Ay, hindi. 8 chakra pala.
Meron silang Gucci. One hand arcade, mist color, royal jacket, naka T6.
Oo nga eh.
Gucci yan. Nagpapamark nga eh. Sabi, mark mo ako.
Pa-clear nga ako na itong mobs ito.
Sabi mo, lalapit ba? Sabihin ko, mark me too.
Nag-OC na sila, nag-OC na.
Abol kayo guys.
Mounted pa rin, mounted. Okay, they're dismounted northeast of the bridge.
Sila, kamis.
Sige lang, bibigyan lang natin information.
Dismounted na northeast.
Yeah, dismounted northeast of the bridge for the
push. Check out si guys, mga di pa. You come east, dito sa my front. East side, face east side. Ito color nila, no? Or, ano yan, bomb?
Nakamark na,
Untaker yung ano, untaker.
Ito lang, careful.
Perma sub color yun. Looking.
Perma sub. Sige.
Drone shallow, please. Only shallow.
That's all, guys. The MBS?
They're looking? Oh, that's fake. Fake lang yan.
Fake Perma.
Never mind. Sorry.
Kidnap, nice kidnap. Yeah, QC double show. Look on me on the crown. 5, 4, 3. Yung ano? G8, yo. Hold. Sila. Just hold. Hold on. Nangabon na kayo. Dito na si, ano. Ayun na pa.
They have 15 seconds, Cedia. Don't be too far forward.
They have engaged out. Puro yung jacket.
Sila. Just hold, guys. Just hold.
Wag ka dyan.
Can you guys not give them clamp?
Yeah. Spread out west. Chill pa naman tayo. Just chill. Just hold. Pabig nga ako Ekason. East. 5, 4, 3.
Nag-inv?
Okay.
Okay.
Obvious holding. Hindi may pick or engage. Careful lang.
Tayo mo, sino yung isang guard?
Rotate par ng guard runes. Hold down. Pag nag-engage to real, then we walk. Hold down, guys. Okay, walang bendra. So,
I go guard rune first. Ay, sige, ikaw na. Ako na mag-adjust.
fake ulit ako, Ekason. Sabihin ako ng perma.
Hindi ako.
There's a fake. Real. Walk now. Try to catch. Walk now. Okay, walk na guys. Yeah, ditang scratch. On me, on the round sa ditang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. DPS. Dodge show. Careful.
They will have engaged in 5 seconds. They will have engaged in 3
Spread more, boys.
seconds.
Spread more.
Engage now. Looking.
Depth. Alright, slowly walk again. East. Keep walking, guys. Keep walking. Cleanses, guys. Pa-cleanse ako. Guardians. West lang. Walk lang. Pahold niya ako ng the choke. Pahold. Connection. Shield pa kasi ako. Kasi in-chop ka pa.
They have engaged, care on this choke.
Careful. They looking. Hold on. Left. Field front now. Catch ditang. East. No. Hold on the choke. Yo, guardians, please. Cleanses. East now. On the choke. 5. On this bug log. 3, 2, 1 now. Try to kill, please. Nice one. Yo, spread east now. Careful, they get engaged. Careful on the bridge. Spread lang east side. Careful lang. Careful, they might shallow again. Just hold. Ayan, they're looking. Depth. Feel me. Oh no. Come west, come west. No, you can pass through now. Guard runes, please. If you can. Can we pass through? Can we pass through? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Sige, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Pass through lang, pass through lang, pass through lang. They might look. Guard runes, yo.
We will have engage in 5 seconds.
Pass through. Pass through lang. They're gonna look soon. Careful lang. Come south is SC. Pass through lang.
They have engaged now. They have engaged now.
Wait lang. Come east muna. Spread east. Just hold. Careful. They're looking. Conflict now, Ekason, west side. Kay Ekason.
Okay, south, looking south.
One now. Nice fake. Careful, they're gonna look soon. They got engaged. Okay, no, good. Yo, come west
They
now.
got the 8. They got the 8.
West now. Detang's cash now. Cash now. West. Cleanses, please. I need cleanses now front. Come west now. I will look on me on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Engage now. Oh my god, kulang yo. Keep walking. You can brawl. Hold them, Detang, please. They got engaged, careful. They got engaged. Ready your defend. They got engaged. Careful not to choke. They might turn. Careful lang. Ready defensive. Ba? They engaging.
Turning.
Nice. Pale front. Catch again. Pass through. Pass now. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On front lang. Try to kill. Nice one. Okay, color dead. But careful na the perma engage, Cash lang. You can brawl. Spread and brawl. You can brawl. Kamis, guys. Careful They might turn May perma engage pa. Ekason boy ka pa? Ekason you here? Careful on the choke, Ready defend on the choke. Hold pa.
Defensive. They just engaged.
Nice. Walk in now. Patch. You can patch. If you have. Patch now. Catch. Ditang catch. On the choke.
May healer tayo sa loob.
On the choke na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Nice one. You can brawl na.
They're broken. Super broken.
Or kill na ng mga low ones. Pagil na pa. Just hold.
Walang GG to, no?
Brawl. No. Wala GG. Cash lang. Def. Heal front. You hold them here. You can brawl here. Engage me on the crown. Cash up on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 Try to kill. Try to kill the low ones, guys. Try to kill.
Boy, nagre-relax kayo, may engage pa rin sila.
Engage pa to par. Careful lang
Yes. Meron pa.
Spread us.
Sige silang
Yo,
engage.
they're running.
May GG ba to?
They're
May
running.
GG. Yeah, they're
Wala,
running.
wala.
Walang GG, no?
Wala GG. They're running. Careful kay Wonder Woman. They might
Kakatch ko.
Pass pa. Def. Walang GG to par.
Patay na yung perma, Kejo.
I have 2 on me. 2 on me.
Ayun, kay Rib daw. Pakash.
Oy, on ping. Don't catch on ping.
On me.
Ay, iba pala to. Nasa west.
Ay, nag-carry na. Huwag na.
Okay,
Ito
guys,
patay itong dead FPS.